0.1 is in maintenance and you are running your system at 3.3, only potential high pressure.
Exactly.
So why you are waiting sensor to sense? If you know in your calculation, when there is a problem in 4.1 and you are running your system on 3.3, there is a high pressure. So do you still want sensor to sense? No. You can update your system in SOP when you are running your plant on 3.3 while 4.1 is under maintenance or breakdown. You have to ramp down.
This is okay.
Now, during the normal plant operation, they will do it.
Emergency case.
You have to design the plant for emergency
cases. Okay. In emergency
If it is a plant operator does it, then we don't need systems at all.
Firstly, once there is an upset or outage for 4.1, the set point of the flow will be reduced. And this is calculated already on our flow assurance calculations, and according to the set point is there. But the issue, once we this point,
let me define here. What is tag number of PHH? What is tag number?
معلش اعتقد انت افضل انك تشير في just give guys
ESDH tag number please.
Put XXX for the time being, then
okay. So PSDH will sense high pressure in the pipe trunk line.
حسب voting high pressure.
Many, right? Not one. Maybe some we have a separate, tab we have a separate function. PSDH, or it is a common in the MO.
Yeah, but with the text out there, we can.
You have the PIN ID?
Yeah.
Yes.
In the ASAP, we have a tag. Share my screen.
1608.
Sorry.
Tag number of the PITU.
Is of the ASAP.
2 out of 3. Then can you see the shutdown one?
Avoid upstream. Just take
snapshot.
this snapshot. This is ASAP. Okay.
Where is the shutdown one?
The shutdown valve upstream there. Yes,
I can show it.
Yes. Okay.
Is it 2 shutdown wall or single? The transmitter we have 3.
Yeah. Upstream the shutdown
For the sensing, we have voting, but on the final element, we have only one final element. That's why the reliability of the whole set to be verified.
This
is a ASAP point.
Yeah. Okay. So can someone give me the tag number? I can make
only one.
This BAB CDS.
This is not BAB CDS. No, this is 6-inch. No, not this one.
Yes,